Hi, faithful caregiver. I'm in the kitchen still. I had just got through videoing rotisserie chicken and a couple of things to do with it, and I thought, you know what, while I'm here, I just want to show you this beautiful, what's called golden potato soup that one of my sweet friends made for me when I had to eat a pureed diet myself. And this recipe is not for puree especially, but when she made it and she pureed it up, it is like absolutely a perfect consistency for your dementia loved one when they get to the stage where they're having problems swallowing and you're just looking for different soups to make for them. This is what it looks like. It's a really pretty, can you see that in this pan? It's a pretty golden yellow, and I'm going to give you the recipe for it. But let me also remind you of this. Remember the red bowls and the red plates? If I was to put this particular soup in a white bowl, it would be very difficult for your dementia loved one to even see because of their eyesight changing. So I'm going to pour some of this into this red bowl just to show you the difference that it makes in how they can see. It's so much better if you do this. And I think you can see how easy it is for them to see it because it's in a red bowl. What a difference it makes to put food in a contrasting color to whatever color it is, because then they can see it to eat their food so much easier. And this pureed soup is going to be really good because we don't want them getting scared and not wanting to eat because they've choked on something, and that's what happens sometimes. So this is golden potato soup, and normally when my friend made this, she would just leave the potatoes just in a chunk because they like to eat it like a chunky soup and all the other things in it. And I love it that way too, but she pureed this and it turned out beautifully. It was so, so good. So here's the recipe, and it's called golden potato soup. 6 cups of potatoes, so it makes up a large amount, y'all. 1 cup of thinly sliced carrots, 3 chicken bouillon cubes, 3 cups of milk, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup chopped onion, 1 cup of thinly sliced celery, 2 cups of water, 1/4 cup flour, 1/2 pound of Velveeta cheese, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. So it's got a lot of good things in it for you also. And then I will put this recipe in the show notes also so that you can have it. So thank you, Janice, for your delicious golden potato soup. I enjoyed it, and I know that all my dementia community is going to enjoy it also. Thank you for taking care of your dementia loved one. God bless you. Stay true. See you next time. Bye.